and then from there we will start right into the program. So here we go. The first thing we want to do is we want to go to plate. Say OK. Touch the plate to indicate a good connection. Say OK. Goes down. We're OK there. We're set. We say OK. And pull off the plate. Get it out of the way. Now we're ready to go to USB. USB. Go to new clock. We're going to the clock face. And we are going to do the roughing tab. Okay. Go down, make sure we're 1/2 inch in mill, say next, and we will start our program. Start our dust collection. Okay, we're done with that particular step. Now we're going to the finishing step. It's a 1/4 inch in mill, and we'll go ahead and set the Z height and get on with our program. Bring it down to an acceptable level. Plate, say OK. Bring it up and touch, say OK. It's got the Z level set. Okay with that. Go to USB, finishing tap, make sure we have the right tool in it, and we're ready to go. Okay, we're at the last step of this clock face. One of the things that we got to do is do the V-groove. One of the things that I do when I do the V-carve is on some materials I will sand the surface down and put some CA glue down. And what I have found is that helps it not to splinter as bad and gives you cleaner letters and stuff. So after we do the setting of the depth, we'll do that. So here we go. Set the depth of the V-bit. Go to plate. Say OK. Touch off. Okay. We got our Z height set. Now sometimes, depending on the wood, sometimes I have to mess with the Z height a little bit to get the results of the V-carve that I want. So bear with me. Well, we're going to bring this up a little bit so we can get it out of the way. I'm going to sand this a little bit and then put. Okay, got that sanded off pretty good. Now I'll spread some CA glue around it. Okay, we're ready to run our program now. We've already set the bit and stuff up, so here we go. Okay, welcome back. We are now going to machine the hammer. The first bit up is a round nosed ball, a round nosed bit or a ball bit, and we're going to do our Z height and then do our rough cut with this round nosed bit. Touch the plate, contact, height is set, remove the plate. We are now ready to run our program. We want to run the claw hammer. We're doing the roughing. Let's make sure we got everything right, ball nose, and we're ready to start. Turn our dust collection and start the program. Okay, this is our last step, cutting out the profile. This is a 1/4 inch end mill. Let's set the Z height and get on with the program. Profile, make sure we got the right tool. Here we go. Hello, welcome back. Now we're going to do the chisel. We have a 1/2 inch round over bit in here that we're going to do the rough cut with. So why don't we get on with the program here and do the Z height, and then we'll run the tap file. So here we go. Go to plate, say OK. We've got to verify. Say OK. Height is set. Say OK, go to USB, go to chisel, chisel roughing. It's a 1/2 inch ball nose. We're all ready to set to go. Let's turn on the dust collection and start the program. Okay, welcome back. We're now ready to do our profile cut on our chisel. This is the final cut, and after this we will do the sanding and finishing of the chisel. So this is the last machining operation we got to do. So let's go ahead and set our Z height. Plate, okay. Touch. Z height is set. Okay, all we have to do is get the tap file, load the tap file, Okay, welcome back everybody. Now we're going to do the machining on the ribbon that's on our clock. We have loaded up here a piece of walnut, 3/4 inch thick. We also have a 1/2 inch round nose bit loaded up and ready to go. All we got to do is set the Z height and then we can run the program. So let's get started. Put our plate in, go up, come down a little bit, go to plate, say OK. Got a touch to complete the circuit. Okay, the Z height is set. Now we're ready to run. Go to USB, find our file. And let's do the roughing tap on the ribbon. Okay, make sure that we're the right file. Okay, we're ready to go. Start our dust collection. And we're ready to go. Welcome back. We're on the next step of doing the ribbon. This is the finish cut 2 with an 1/8 inch tapered ball bit. We'll set our Z height and get on with the program. Okay, USB, we're looking for our finish for our 1/8 inch ball nose tapered. Okay, welcome back everybody. We're now going to do the machining on our plaque, our shield. We're starting off to rough cut with a 1/4 inch round nose bit. And let's go ahead and set our Z height. This is the shield that all of the other pieces are mounted to. Bring it down to a reasonable level. Go to plate, say OK, touch it. Okay, we're ready to go. So, say OK. Okay, we're ready for our profile cut on this shield. It's an 1/8 inch end mill, and let's go ahead and set the Z height, and we'll be on our way to run the program. Okay, plate, okay, touch, okay. Our Z height is set. Okay, now we're going to cut out the clock mechanism pocket that is in the back of the shield. This is for your mechanism. So let's do our Z height and get on with the program.